Glorious day to you, my friends. Kotoro hotana atara ashihana titara. Welcome to day number 79 of being, this blissful existence, illuminating and nurturing grace. This grace, our true authentic self. Nitoro oshohoku toriata. And in this series, for 144 days, we're going to be spending time with our inner being, simply by breathing, by chanting. The imagery they gave me at the beginning is we're spiraling up this pyramid, this great pyramid, to the edge of the matrix. We're going to poke our head to the hub of the dharma chakra. We're going to use the Eye of Providence to gain a divine perspective on this reality. The magical chants that we're chanting, we're going to chant Om Ahum 108 times using the Mala of Joy, this wisdom of the emptiness that we are, this union of the wisdom and the emptiness. And then we're going to chant So Hung 36 times. As we reach into spirit, as we embrace the ineffable. Yes, this ineffable nature of spirit, we can only attempt to describe it and describe how it can influence us and change us as we allow our inner being, the true essence of who we are, to live more fully through us. This ineffable spirit inside that wants to, that is proud of us, because we are exactly where we intended to be. We are always 100% successful in everything that we do, because what we give out to the universe is what we get back. Our inner being, our ineffable spirit, is not this egoic being of judgment. It is total accepting, because our inner being understands how this universe works, that what we give out is what we get back. When we get back contrast, we gave a vibration of contrast outward in our inner being, and we like to judge it. We like to judge what we get back. We call it discernment. Us enlightened people call it discernment. It's still a form of judgment. If we fail to see the perfection in everything, the ineffability of everything, the beauty in everything is the simple way to think of it. The joy in everything. Then we are still bound by our mind, and we're still bound by our desires, we're still bound by everything. But until we embrace this ineffable nature of spirit, this ineffable nature of our inner being, this magical inner being, this divine essence inside of us, this is the decision that Ashtavakra was talking about in his Gita, 17 chapters of not only believe in yourself, but set your mind free by deciding that it's free. That you can think the way you wish to think without judging yourself, without input from all these other imprints that we've put in our auric field of how we've done things wrong in the past and how we're afraid to do them wrong in the future. Instead of thinking about the joy of doing, the joy of believing, the joy of it unfolding. By embracing this, the ineffable, that we can't describe it. We just know in here that we resonate with it, that we want it, that we love it. We love who we love. The things that we do bring us joy. We don't need to rationalize why. Know that we resonate with it is enough, and that it is magical when we breathe in this joy, when we allow this joy to shine outwards, when we are being in our joy. It is an indescribable feeling. Ineffable. As I switch the cross of my legs. So, let's just get right down to asking our inner being. So I invite you to relax. Whether you lie down, whether you sit, or whether you sit in seated meditation, comfort and ease are what is important. The letting go and simply focusing awareness on the breath. As we begin to lengthen and deepen our breath, as we pay attention to the sound of our breath, and how it's different from the sound of our out-breath. As we feel how it feels to breathe in, and we feel how it feels to breathe out. Now let us focus our awareness on our heart center. For in our heart center is the home of our ineffable spirit. As we breathe in the essence of life, and we shine out who we are. As we breathe in this life force energy, and breathe out, I am living. As we invite in this indescribable life force energy, and we breathe out, I am living. As we breathe in this indescribable life force energy, recognize it and shine this life force out. As we breathe in this life force energy, and we breathe out that we are this life force energy. This life force energy, this Om, as we breathe it in with the Sa. And we sit with this life force energy in the Ah of our heart, in the Ah of our heart. And we breathe out the Ha, that we are this life force energy. Breathing in the Om, the ineffable Om. Sitting in the emptiness of this life force energy. Breathing out that we are this energy and we are living. Breathing in with the Sa. Sitting with this life force energy. Breathing out how it has given us life, the Hum. With this intentional Sa, breathing in. With this allowing Sa, and allowing Ah. With an intentional Ha. Let us take the ineffable nature of spirit, of the divine, of life, and move it down through the chakras, purifying each of the chakras. Take it this ineffable life force energy and sharing it with Manipura. Sharing this life force with our ideas of intention, with our ideas of joy, with our ideas of purpose, filling it with wonder, purifying it with wonder and awe. Moving this life force energy, this ineffable life force, down into Svadhisthana, our sacral chakra, sharing the wonder and awe of this life force with our ideas of pleasure, with our emotions, with our ideas of creativity, with our ideas of inspiration and desires. Purifying Svadhisthana with this wonder and awe. Moving this ineffable energy down into Muladhara, the root chakra. Sharing this ineffable wonder and awe with our ideas of foundation, with our ideas of stability, of survival. sharing this life force energy with our fears and our doubts, sharing this awe and wonder with our fears and our doubts, moving this ineffable energy down into Vasundhara, our soul star chakra, our earth star chakra. Sharing this ineffable wonder and awe with our ideas of our root system and from where we get our nourishment, and sharing it with what is nourishment. Purifying Vasundhara with this wonder and joy. Moving this ineffable energy down through the root system, purifying as it goes down. Nirota orahatsanata karyata. Wrapping these roots around the heart of Gaia, giving her a great big hug, and bringing back her grounded love and wisdom as she shares some gentle truths. That we are this life force energy, that we are this wonder and awe of the universe, and that every other idea of life is in awe of you and how you have helped expansion and life go beyond what is known before. We are not made of nor limited by this earth, this water, this fire, this air, nor are we made of nor limited by the space in between. We are this life force energy. We are ineffable. As we bring this awe and wonder, unifying everything along the ways, up the root system, and merging this energy into Vasundhara, the Earth Star Chakra, unifying all these energies and ideas with the ineffable wonder and awe, stabilizing, harmonizing, balancing, and aligning our roots and nourishment with the ineffable wonder and awe of the universe. Elevating this combined energy and merging it into Muladhara, unifying all these energies and ideas with the ineffable wonder and awe, stabilizing, balancing, harmonizing, aligning with the ineffable wonder and awe of the universe, with the ineffable wonder and awe of our inner being. Elevating this combined energy and merging it into Svadhisthana, where our self is established. Unifying all these energies and ideas with the ineffable wonder and awe. Stabilizing, balancing, harmonizing, aligning with the ineffable wonder and awe of our true authentic self. Elevating this unified energy and merging it into Manipura. Unifying all these energies and ideas with the ineffable wonder and awe, stabilizing, balancing, harmonizing, aligning with the ineffable wonder and awe of our inner being, elevating this collective energy and merging it into Anahata, our heart center, the home of our Pratyahara, the home of our holy fire, the home of our ineffable wonder and awe, unifying all these energies and ideas with the wonder and awe, stabilizing, balancing, harmonizing, aligning all these energies and ideas with the ineffable wonder and awe of our inner being, of the universe, and expanding this ineffable wonder and awe, elevating this heart-based wonder and merging it into Vishuddha, our throat chakra, sharing the ineffable wonder and awe of the universe with our ideas of truth, with our ideas of lies, with our ideas of the lies we tell ourselves. Unifying all these energies and ideas and purifying Vishuddha, purifying our speech, purifying our truth with the ineffable wonder and awe of the universe. Stabilizing, balancing, harmonizing, aligning the ineffable wonder and awe of our inner being with the ineffable wonder and awe of eternity. Expanding this wonder and awe, elevating this collective consciousness and merging it into Anya, Agya, Agnya, however you call it. Sharing the ideas of the ineffable wonder and awe of the universe with our ideas of intuition, of our ideas into insight, of our ideas into illusion, of our ideas of separation, purifying Anya with the ineffable wonder of the universe, stabilizing, balancing, harmonizing, aligning the ineffable wonder and awe of our inner being with the wonder and awe of all that is. Expanding this heart-centered truth, this wonder and awe, in wonder and awe. Ascending this collective consciousness and merging it into Sahasrara, our crown chakra, sharing this ineffable wonder and awe of the universe, of all it is, of the divine, with our ideas of consciousness, with our ideas of thought, with our ideas of attachment. Purifying Sahasrara with wonder and awe, unifying all these energies and ideas, stabilizing, balancing, harmonizing, aligning the ineffable wonder and awe of our inner being with the ineffable wonder and awe of everything. As we elevate this collective consciousness and merge it into Vyapini, the goddess who is everywhere, our soul star chakra, sharing the ineffable wonder and awe of the universe with our ideas of everything, with our ideas of what is possible, of our ideas of wonder and awe, purifying everything. Unifying all these energies and ideas with the wonder and awe of everything. Stabilizing, balancing, harmonizing, aligning the ineffable wonder and awe of our inner being with the ineffable wonder and awe of everything. Allowing awareness to simply be in this awesome lotus of awareness. As we begin to chant with Aum, simply Om stretched into its three sound components. Ah for the heart, O for the root, and for the savoring and embodying. And then chanting Om, Om 108 times, using the Mala of Joy, Hasinatar, Ishayakatatar Hatorata. I shall keep count and let us know when we're on the last one. And transitioning with Aum. Breath in for Aum. And a breath in to chant. Om, Aum. Om, Aum. Om, Aum. Rieta anna siitä tar anata urota. Hareta arhana so urata arakayata hata. Koroto urhanata arhata ti itakarhata. Om Shanahe Artkanahe Atar Arshuno Utoro Hukatar Heshanahe Toro Utoro Unahasuya Atakara Shanahe Kitiariata Utoro Ukatatara Shaykanare Tikaakha Shayaka Arkahesha Sooro Ura Harshana Ea Harka Ayaka Arta Hatka Arshana Asai Ka Artahea Haka Arta Ayakash Hatar Anahasho Ura Arkaya Hartka Arshana Akara Utoro Utoro Ura Harshana Ea Hartka Aya Ara Harsha Anaka Atutu Huturu Uta Ara Harshana Aya Arkana Hasha Ekoro. Last one. Hurra Ara Arkashanaya Ara Anahata. In a breath in for Om. Nahi katana araskana ishu uyotora tana artashaya kaata. Hisana ariata rate. When you are ready, invite in a being or beings of higher vibration, of higher consciousness, to share energy, to share wisdom, maybe about this ineffable nature of spirit, this ineffable nature of life, this ineffable nature of consciousness itself, for our highest good, of what's most relevant to us at this time in our lives. Allowing awareness to simply be. When you are ready, with heartfelt gratitude, thank the being or beings for sharing time, for sharing energy, for sharing wisdom. As we bid them farewell, we can always invite them back at any time in the future. As we continue to chant, transitioning with Aying, simply aim stretched into its 3 sound components. Ah for the heart, E for the crown, Ing for resonation with everything. And then chanting So Hung 36 times using the Ananda chakra. And then concluding with Aying, the beach mantra of abundance, the beach mantra of wonder and awe. And a breath in for Aying. And a breath in to chant. So hung, 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 so Soham. 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 Last one. Soham. A breath in for Aying. When you are ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the here and now. Maybe wiggle your fingers and toes. Maybe invite in some gentle movements. And when you are ready, slowly open your eyes and welcome in the new now. Congratulations, my friends. We have completed day number 79 of being this blissful, ineffable experience. Illuminating and nurturing grace. Maybe we should call it blissful experience ineffably. Nurturing grace. Niyatarya shahatoro husha tiaryartana hotoroto. I encourage you to journal about your experience. Nititi aryarna hatoro urshana hasuka tatiryata. Who knows what you're going to write about? Whatever came up, maybe just start, and this wonder and awe is just going to flow from your pen. Kasi ukutar. Hisha nahasa darya nahatorio totora tachaniata. Thank you. No to urhana tatiriarata. I thank you, my friends, for sharing. Water is life. Nitiriara nahatura. I thank you, my friends, for sharing in my highest bliss. Nitora harshana ekutora haryata nahatara shiokotor hota hata arahanahiarotohata. And shine on from your inner being, with your inner being, as your inner being, ineffably, not having to understand why, in wonder and awe of your own shininess. And make it a great day. Because why would you leave it up to anyone else? Nihukutora harasanaheka haryata atahatarta.